Yes, we do get knowledge of those Indian old civilization in astronomy and all those things, but we also help us to learn for teachers like me. If I want to conduct a workshop, how should I do and what should I do? What are the things we have to do? What are trouble? What are the logistics and all those things? So I was more interested in learning all. So I've learned some of those, and I think I'll be able to do at least one or two workshops, maybe in my wherever online or something, or topics to include. There's a Stellarium software if you want to really introduce this and all.
One thing I want to say is that my heart was so moved at certain parts. I couldn't actually even concentrate on the technicalities because I don't know if people realize what it feels like to come from a culture that's lost and obliterated. Not lost, obliterated. And so the world right now is actually a victim of colonization. I'm not getting political, I'm being literal. Literally, we've had our roots abolished. And so to watch this, to watch it have the way that he went around, his precision with the data, I mean, I have to bow the integrity that was given back to Jyotishastra. The integrity. This is important because most of the time it's just this prediction and you've got this doge and, Mangal doge and Sarpa doge and you better do this. And I can understand why people are looking at Jyotishastra this way now. So, thank you.
For my recommendations, like how they give the papers and after the reflection papers, I give all my information on how I liked it. If you go and present that now, you will see most of them. I didn't give much bad thing. I give a lot of good remarks for it, like all 5s and 4s, because that's what I just said previously. It's more all of the things I got. It was all astonishing for me. So I would like to recommend this for most both people, environmental people.
Especially in the University of America, I really feel very proud. The staff, the management, excellent. I give all the 5 ratings to all that arrangements. It's a compact program. It takes into consideration all the aspects. So it's a very good for young children to the old age to all the levels. It is divided in all the fields, and I really appreciate that in the University of America should go into a lot of different fields where we can dig. So that is one of the things we learned. We need to sell ourselves. We need to put whatever we have. I have a talent, but it just goes with me because in India it's a culture that you don't have to show off. But right in this world, we need to show off. If we don't show off and if we don't sell ourselves, then people are not going to respect our culture. So it is our, and definitely I really appreciate in the University of America, the works they have been doing, the initiatives, the commitments. In case of any help, anything is there, we have always been there. The one more thing I really like to appreciate, to come to all these workshops, these orientation programs, is that we meet all our like-minded people. Once we come to this kind of programs, we have like-minded peoples, we meet like-minded peoples, we make more contacts, and that is how we come together. And maybe we should go forward, spread of word, we market the thing, because this is a really very nice concept. Thank you very much.